Dolphin Sutures is one of the leading surgical suture manufacturing companies in India, located in the Silicon City of India, Bangalore. Established in the year 1994 by Mr. A.D. Sethi, Dolphin Sutures aims to become the surgeon's choice for safe and secure wound closure. Our mission is to provide tailored products to meet the specific needs of the wound closure segment. And help healthcare professionals and hospitals worldwide. Since 25 years, Dolphin Sutures has been known to create value for customers by constantly delivering premium quality products and superior operating results. Dolphin Sutures has its manufacturing facility spread over 30,000 square feet with a production capacity of 150,000 per day. Having manufactured over 12,000 SKUs so far, Dolphin Sutures manufactures a vast range of sutures to meet all suture requirements. Our manufacturing facility adheres ISO Class 10,000 standards, and all our production processes are performed in a strictly controlled condition, following all GMP norms at various stages like raw material, in-process, and final packing. We have a fully equipped with in-house automatic ETO sterilizers, laboratory, printing and packing facilities. Our world-class manufacturing and testing facility has passed several national, international regulatory audits, and our testing areas are based in Bangalore and built with the latest international standards. Before the eventual market release, our products are tested as per the testing guidelines issued by the United States Pharmacopoeia, USP. Our products conform to international standards and certifications, including CE, ISO 13485, ISO 9001, GMP, and GLP, and have received various international product registrations. Considered a pioneer in surgical sutures, Dolphin Sutures is the first Indian company that is known to manufacture the synthetic absorbable sutures, polyglycolic acid, commonly called as PGA suture, and also polyglactin 910 suture, PGLA suture. Every quality suture manufactured by us comes with needles made from surgical-grade steel, from 300 and 400 series steel catering to a wide range of surgeries in the field of gynecology, general surgery, urology, neurology, cardiovascular, and orthopedic. Our wide portfolio of wound closure devices include surgical sutures, surgical mesh, hemostats, skin stapler, surgical tape, bone wax, etc. We have the industry's most qualified professionals in our leadership team, expert staff with years of experience in medical devices, and over 300 dedicated members who are well experienced and trained to deliver quality products and service. Dolphin Sutures is a registered vendor of the United Nations and also has a client base across the globe, exporting to 50-plus countries including government bodies, corporate hospitals, international tenders, and institutes. The products from Dolphin Sutures are accepted and appreciated by globally renowned surgeons for its excellent quality and functionality, which is a direct result of our unwavering commitment towards design and development. Our areas of specialization include top quality and functionality, organize a warehouse to maintain huge inventories for quick delivery, OEM support, and customization. Dolphin Sutures has now become one of the most trusted brands for quality surgical sutures in India, trusted by global surgeons.